Hello everyone, my name is Nikish Kumar and I am an MBBS student at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Sevagram. And I welcome you all to the fourth video of the genetics series. And today we are going to study about the structural chromosomal aberrations. So let us start with it. We are going to study the 6 types of structural chromosomal aberrations: deletion, insertion, inversion, translocation, ring chromosome and isochromosome. Let us start with the first structural chromosomal aberration that is called as deletion. तो deletion को समझने के लिए हम एक नॉर्मल सा डायग्राम बनाते हैं. This is a normal chromosome with 4 segments: segment A, segment B, segment C and segment C, right? So this is a normal chromosome with 4 segments: segment A, segment B, segment C and segment D. Now what happens in deletion? You can see in deletion there is loss of one chromosomal segment. In this case there is loss of chromosomal segment B. ठीक है? So what is deletion? Deletion is loss of chromosomal segment. मैंने इंटरनेट पे से 2 अच्छे इमेजेस लिए हैं. पहला इमेज, you can see there is break in chromosome and then there is the loss of this chromosomal segment. That is deletion. Here also you can see this chromosomal segment, yellow one, this is lost. ठीक है? So in short, what is deletion? Deletion is loss of chromosomal segment. Second type of chromosomal aberration is insertion. So what is insertion? फिर से वही एक क्रोमोसोम हमारे पास है. It has 4 segments. Let's say it has segment A, segment B, segment C and segment D. Now what happens in insertion? In insertion, an extra segment inserted. That is, there is doubling of chromosomal segment. There is insertion of an additional chromosomal segment. So in insertion, there is doubling of chromosomal segment. You can see in this diagram, यहाँ पे chromosomal segment है. Let's say it is segment X. Here it is doubled. We have 2X, right? So what is insertion? Insertion is doubling of chromosomal segment. Next is inversion. What is inversion? Inversion का मतलब क्या होता है? Invert होना, उलटना. That is, in inversion, a segment of chromosome it rotates by 180 degree. What is inversion? The segment of chromosome it rotates. वह उलट जाता है कितने डिग्री से? 180 डिग्री से. ठीक है? So what is inversion? A segment of chromosome rotates by 180 degree. We have 2 types of inversions: paracentric and pericentric. What is paracentric? If the inversion takes place around the centromere, then it is called as pericentric inversion. Pericentric inversion, the inversion takes place around the centromere. That is, there is involvement of centromere. While in the paracentric inversion, there is no involvement of centromere. ठीक है? So what is inversion? The segment of chromosome it rotates by 180 degree. It is of 2 types: paracentric and pericentric. In the paracentric, there is no involvement of centromere, while in the pericentric, there is involvement of centromere. Now let us study each type of inversion with the help of a diagram. First of all, what is paracentric inversion? In the paracentric inversion, there is no involvement of centromere. So this is centromere, centromere, centromere. यहाँ पे यह एक क्रोमोसोम का सेगमेंट है. नाउ इन दिस क्रोमोसोम सेगमेंट ऑरेंज ऊपर है और ग्रीन नीचे है. नाउ दिस सेगमेंट रोटेट्स बाय 180 डिग्री. दैट इज इन्वर्जन. अ सेगमेंट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम रोटेट्स बाय 180 डिग्री सच दैट अब ऑरेंज आ चुका है नीचे और ग्रीन चला गया है ऊपर. मतलब कि यहाँ पे अब सेगमेंट जो है वो 180 डिग्री से रोटेट कर चुका है. बट इन दिस केस द सेंट्रोमियर इज नॉट इन्वॉल्व, राइट? सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज पैरासेंट्रिक इन्वर्जन. While in the pericentric inversion, there is involvement of centromere. So this is centromere. So this is centromere, centromere and centromere, right? Now पहले क्या था? Orange ऊपर है, green नीचे है. Now the segment of chromosome it rotates by 180 degree, so that orange comes at the down position and green goes up. And in this, the inversion, that is the rotation of the chromosomal segment, it is taking place around the centromere. So it is called as pericentric inversion. देखते हैं हम लोग नीचे के डायग्राम को. This is centromere. ठीक है? सेगमेंट सी इस तरफ है, सेगमेंट डी इस तरफ है. अब क्या होता है कि सेगमेंट सी आ गया इस तरफ, सेगमेंट डी चला गया इस तरफ. इसका मतलब द सेगमेंट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इट रोटेट्स बाय 180 डिग्री एंड दिस रोटेशन इट टेक्स प्लेस अराउंड द सेंट्रोमियर. सो इट इज पेरीसेंट्रिक इन्वर्जन. ठीक है? यहाँ पे सेगमेंट ई इस तरफ है, सेगमेंट एफ इस तरफ है. अब क्या हुआ, सेगमेंट ई इस तरफ आ गया, सेगमेंट एफ इस तरफ आ गया. मतलब द सेगमेंट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इट रोटेट्स बाय 180 डिग्री बट देयर इज नो इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ सेंट्रोमियर, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज पैरासेंट्रिक इन्वर्जन. In short, paracentric inversion, there is no involvement of centromere, while in the pericentric inversion, there is involvement of centromere. Next is ring chromosome. What is ring chromosome? In the ring chromosome, there is break at both ends of the chromosome. There is break at both ends of the chromosome. After the break, the damaged sticky ends, they fuse with each other and they form the ring chromosome. And this ring chromosome is functionally inactive. So what is ring chromosome? In the ring chromosome, there is break at both ends of chromosome. There is fusion of damaged sticky ends and this ring chromosome is functionally inactive. Next, what is isochromosome? तो हमको पता है कि एक जो नॉर्मल क्रोमोसोम होता है, ठीक है, उसमें क्या होता है, इन दी एनाफेज द सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड सेपरेट, द सेंट्रोमियर स्प्लिट्स एंड द सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड सेपरेट. ठीक है, और ये जो डिवीजन होता है ये कैसे होता है, ये वर्टिकली होता है. ठीक है, एंड द सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स सेपरेट, राइट. बट इफ द डिवीजन rather than vertically, if the division happens horizontally, we will be having this kind of condition, two short arms and two long arms. If the division happens horizontally, it leads to formation of two short arms and two long arms, and these are called as isochromosomes. So if division happens horizontally, it leads to two short arm and two long arm. ठीक है. The most common isochromosome is isochromosome XQ. जो Q आर्म का X क्रोमोसोम है, that is the most common isochromosome. The most common isochromosome in cancer is isochromosome 17q, and the most common isochromosome in testicular tumor is isochromosome 12p. Let us move ahead. What is translocation? Translocation is the exchange of material between two different chromosomes. अभी तक केवल एक क्रोमोसोम इन्वॉल्व था, but in the translocation there is exchange of material between two chromosomes, and it is of two types: balanced translocation and Robertsonian translocation. What is a balanced translocation? इसमें क्या होता है कि ये दो क्रोमोसोम है, क्रोमोसोम 1, क्रोमोसोम 2. क्रोमोसोम 2 का एक सेगमेंट टूट के कहाँ चला गया, क्रोमोसोम 1 पे चला गया, और क्रोमोसोम 1 का एक सेगमेंट टूट के क्रोमोसोम 2 पर आ गया. You can see here there is exchange of segments, but the length of chromosomes they remain unchanged. This is balanced translocation. While the second type of translocation, that is Robertsonian translocation, it takes place between two acrocentric chromosomes. और यह ट्रांसलोकेशन कुछ इस तरीके से होता है, so that it results in the formation of a very small chromosome and a very long chromosome. ठीक है. So these are the two types of translocation: the balanced translocation and the Robertsonian translocation. यहाँ पर आकर हमारे हर तरह के स्ट्रक्चरल क्रोमोसोमल एब्रेशंस होते हैं ख़त्म. अब हमको हर तरह के क्रोमोसोमल एब्रेशन से होने वाली कुछ डिजीजेस के नाम पता होने चाहिए. इनकी पूरी लिस्ट हम सेकेंड ईयर में पढ़ेंगे, पर यहाँ पे एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी नीड टू लर्न अ फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद इट. डिलीशन में आपको याद रखना है डिलीशन 13q. डिलीशन ऑफ लॉन्ग आर्म ऑफ क्रोमोसोम नंबर 13 इज सीन इन द CLL, दैट इज द क्रॉनिक लिम्फोसिटिक ल्यूकीमिया. Insertion, Fragile X syndrome. Inversion in chromosome number 16 is seen in AML-M4. AML-M4 is also a type of leukemia. Ring chromosome का example है Turner syndrome. Isochromosome 12p is seen in testicular tumors. Translocation, we know that Robertsonian translocation is seen between two acrocentric chromosomes, that is 13, 14, 15, 21, 22. इसमें हमको दो एग्जाम्पल याद रखने हैं. Down syndrome. In Down syndrome, the translocation is seen between chromosome number 14 and chromosome number 21. While in the CML, that is chronic myeloid leukemia, the translocation is seen between 9 and 22, resulting in formation of the hybrid chromosome that is called as the Philadelphia chromosome. So these are the few examples we need to memorize. Deletion 13q is seen in the chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Insertion, Fragile X syndrome. Inversion in chromosome number 16 is seen in AML-M4. Ring chromosome, Turner syndrome. Isochromosome 12p in testicular tumors. Robertsonian translocation, Down syndrome 14-21 and chronic myeloid leukemia 9-22. That's all about the structural chromosomal aberrations. I hope you like this video. For more such informative and concise content, please do like, share and subscribe Mid Junction. This is Nikish Kumar signing off. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.